Hi Dave,
hey.
Here's your brand new MC61.
This is the top of the MC61. And we're going to flip it over so you can see the bottom where you'll find your wheels. But first, you're going to need to cut away the tape.
But be very careful not to cut the top with your knife. Pop the top. And if you'll notice, there's a cover right here that's covering your wheel. So that's what we're going to take off. And since you got the box open, it'll be really easy to take the box off.
This is a drain, which indicates this is the back of the fan. This is where you can actually lock your fan to secure it with a cable lock.
And Dave, if this is a 61 or a 37, it's going to be laid out just the same way. If you notice, one of the wheels, two of the wheels have this lock so you can lock it, and you're going to want to put these locks on the front of the fan. And remember, this is the back, this is the front. Also, you'll find the plastic enclosed tube, which will have your hose connector and your screws to mount your wheels to the body of the fan. And the next thing you need to do is we're going to leave the box on the fan and we're going to tilt it over and put it up on its wheels. Now that protected the fan from getting scratched up. You can take off the styrofoam. You can go ahead and take off the wrapper. And once you got all that off, just go ahead and put your cord on top and just go ahead and lift the box off. And there's your fan.
For more ways to cool off, check out icanbecool2.com.